number 3. Let's go into the bins and see what we can find. All right, let's head into the bins. I mean, this place here, I'm not a big fan of the bins. You got to fight for your clothes. You got to fight for your items. I'm not into that. I'd rather go into a regular store and find things on the shelf. But you can find some great items in the bins. I mean, there's a lot of videos out there on YouTube that, you know, it shows that you can find things. But I'm just not a big fan. I mean, I did end up finding a couple items. Usually new with tag I would pick up, but not on that item. All right, guys, it was a madhouse in there. I come out with a small bag, about $6.62, I believe it was. A pair of sandals, 2 hats, a pair of jeans. You know, like I always, we'll go home, run some comps, and see how much it's worth, all right, stop number 2. Let's go check it out. So here we are, another Goodwill. Walk around the store, check things out, see what we can find. Mickey Mouse. I put him in the cart, and I do that with a lot of things. I'll put it in the cart if I don't know it, and then I'll shop some more, and then I'll pull some comps. And if I don't like it, well, I'll put it back on the shelf. And that's what I did with that Mickey. It was dirty. I didn't think the comps, just wasn't a lot of money there. Shirts, pants, you know the routine. Here we have a pair of Rock Revival jeans. It's a great brand, Rock Revival. Definitely be on the lookout for that. Now that was a pair of capris, which is not as good. This is a pair of silver jeans. Some sell better than others, but they typically sell pretty good. Now remember, we'll pull some comps. Okay, so we found a few items. Not, you know, nothing gonna break the bank, but I think we got some decent items in here. Spent about 36 bucks. Let's go to one more. Number 3. We might squeeze in 4. I don't know, but we'll see. A Goodwill number 3. Come on, let's go. And of course, we're at the jeans. That's my bread and butter. Looking for something good to sell. Will we find it? All right, so not too bad. I mean, you know, spent $36 on 5 pair of jeans. I'm hoping to turn that into about, I don't know, 150 bucks. I mean, we'll try anyway. If not 100, right? Oh man, I'm tired. All right, I couldn't resist. Thrift store number 4, another Goodwill. So we'll go in there and check it out. I was just here yesterday, so I don't expect to find anything really, but you just never know. All right, that was a total bust, but I figured it would be. Anywho, let's get home and check out what we got. All right, so we're back home. Let's recap. We went to the Goodwill bins. We went to another Goodwill. We went to another Goodwill, and we went to another Goodwill. So let's check out what we got. Of course, this is day number 3 of thrifting this week. And of course, the first thing I got at the Goodwill bins was this, the North Face hat. I mean, it's a nice logo. I mean, you know, with the amount of money I paid, I mean, you can't beat that. I mean, what? We could probably sell this thing for 10 bucks. I don't know. Of course, again, comps will be on the screen when I figure it out. Brand new Samuel Adams hat. Again, hardly any money into this. Who knows, 10 bucks? Found this pair of Miss Me jeans. It's not the best brand anymore. It used to be a very good brand. Now, some sell better than others, but I mean, I always pick them up. I mean, if I can sell them for 20, 25 bucks, I mean, why not, right? And then I found this pair of Teva sandals. I'll do a little cleaning on them, but overall, great shape. I think I can get 20 bucks for these. So, I mean, let's say I can get 60 bucks out of this. I don't know. And I spent, here's my receipt, a total of $6.62. $6.62 for 1, 2, 3, 4 items. So what we got, like $1.50, $1.60 a piece. I mean, that should be great. I mean, all right, what else we got? I got another bag somewhere. Oh, let's move it a little closer. Here we go, here we go. Get my big little bag out. I don't know if I said it on this video or not, but here in North Carolina, they don't really give out bags in plastic bags, so you have to use a reusable bag. And these 99-cent bags they sell, they're pretty doggone good. So the second place I went to, I spent $36.10 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. 6 items. So, I mean, you know, what's that, like $6 a piece? Average, not bad. Let's see what I got. I got this Drill Doctor. It sharpens drill bits. I know it runs. I mean, because I plugged it up and tested it, and it came on. So that right there, I think I can get $25 out of that thing. Next up is a pair of boys jeans, Levi 505, brand new, still with the tags. That's the reason why I picked them up, because they're new with tags. Let's say 20 bucks for that. I picked up this Pittsburgh Steelers number 84. It's a on-field jersey. Great shape. I know it's not football season right now, but you know, 18, 20 bucks. I picked up this pair of Rock Revival women's crop jeans. I think I can 20, 25. I picked up this pair of silver jeans, super stretch. I think because of the size and it may have had a particular cut or something. I looked them up. I mean, I thought they $20, $25. You know, a lot of jeans, $20, $25. You know, the good ones. You'll hit some home runs sometimes and find some that are better. Here I've got a pair of motocross pants. I'm trying to think I can't remember what the brand is. It's O'Neill Elements motocross pants. I think I can get 35 out of these. Excellent shape. So there we have it, $36. What? Conservative, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. I think there'll be more, of course. But there we go for that bag number 2. Let's check out bag number 3. Bag number 3. We'll grab that receipt out of here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. $37. So this is on average of $7 per pair of jeans. The first ones I got, men's jeans, fly paper. Looked them up. I'm thinking 20, 25 bucks. More jeans. Yes, I do a lot of jeans. Buckle Black. BKE Buckle Black. Fitting number 9, I believe is what it's. Yeah. And you know, let's say conservative, 25 bucks. A lot of times I don't usually buy too many jeans that I'm not going to make at least $25, of gross profit or gross sales. Either way, we got another pair of BKE Tyler jeans, distressed, great color, great size. Let's call that $25 as well. We'll stay on the conservative side just to, until we can get some comps up and figure it out for sure. But another pair of BKE Tyler jeans, another $25. So then we got a pair of women's Ariat real denim. The size, the color, you got that thick stitching in here. Desirable jeans. We'll say 25 for that one. Just conservative. We're gonna go $125 out of $37. You ain't breaking the bank, but you're making money. That's the thing about it. So today, what do we spend? 70 something dollars, and we should make at least 250, 300. Again, not breaking the bank, but still making money. So there we go. And of course, if we go thrifting tomorrow, I'm going to take you along. And of course, I always tell everybody, if you like the videos, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, notification bell. Always hit the notification bell. That way you can get more content, because there will be more coming for sure. And of course, well, until next time, we'll be seeing you. Woo!